Hey everyone, there are tons of websites with free sounds that can save your project and your sanity. First, we have freesound.org. It's like a giant buffet of sounds. Take what you need. Next, check out soundbible.com. It's full of sounds you can use for free, perfect for any presentation. And if you like lots of choices, zapsplat.com has over 90,000 sounds. Yes, you heard that right, 90,000. Don't forget to save these websites. You'll be happy you did later. Now go ace that presentation. Remember, work smarter, not harder. Now go make some awesome sounds.